One morning, 67-year-old David picked up his cup of coffee, but forgot how long he had been making it. He smiled awkwardly, trying to remember the name of the neighbor who had just greeted him at the door. It wasn't just a small forgetfulness, it was a wake-up call. After the age of 60, millions of people begin to notice that their brains are no longer as sharp as before. Memories seem to fade away in the morning mist, but surprisingly, modern science has found a way to reverse this process. In today's video, we'll explore the truth behind memory loss after 60, and the secrets to helping your brain regenerate and sharpen again. Before we get started, subscribe to Wellness Roots Journey, like and share this video if you want to keep your memory sharp through your 60s and beyond. The human brain is like a giant library, and time is a silent thief. After age 60, levels of acetylcholine, the neurotransmitter that helps with memory, drop dramatically. Brain cells lose the ability to communicate effectively, and the myelin sheath that protects nerve fibers begins to thin. In addition, lack of sleep, stress, and a poor diet make it difficult for the brain to regenerate. This not only makes us forget where we put our keys, but also affects our thinking, emotions, and self-confidence. But the good news is, the brain has the ability to heal itself, if we know how to nourish it properly. Few people know that mild inflammation in the brain is a leading cause of memory loss. Research from Harvard shows that a diet high in sugar, saturated fat, and processed foods causes inflammation in neurons, disrupting signals between brain regions. When this happens, you may find yourself losing focus, having slow reactions, and sometimes, not remembering the story you just heard. The solution? Reducing inflammation with foods rich in antioxidants, like berries, salmon, green tea, and turmeric, can douse the inflammation in the brain, helping to revive memory. The brain is made up of more than 60% fat, and after age 60, getting the right kind of fat is key. Scientists at UCLA found that omega-3s, EPA, DHA, from salmon, sardines, or flaxseed oil can increase the connectivity between nerve cells and improve short-term memory. In contrast, bad fats from fried foods and cheap vegetable oils damage brain cell membranes, causing signals to break down. With just a few small changes, like eating fish twice a week, adding extra virgin olive oil, you're nurturing your brain like a precious garden. After the age of 60, the ability to absorb B12 decreases significantly. Lack of this vitamin causes the nervous system to short-circuit, causing memory loss, confusion, and prolonged fatigue. B12 helps regenerate nerve membranes, myelin, supporting faster signal transmission between brain cells. You can supplement from lean meat, eggs, milk, or B-complex tablets. Research at Oxford shows that maintaining adequate B12 levels in the blood can slow brain shrinkage by up to 40% in people over 60. Deep sleep is more than just rest, it's when your brain cleans itself. When you sleep, your glymphatic system kicks in, flushing out toxins that have accumulated in your brain throughout the day. Poor sleep prevents the amyloid beta proteins that cause Alzheimer's from being cleared away, leading to memory loss. Want to improve your memory? Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Turn off electronics an hour before bed, and keep your bedroom cool, quiet, and dark. Just 30 minutes of brisk walking a day can increase blood flow to the brain by 20%. Exercise stimulates BDNF, nerve growth factor, which helps create new cells and improve learning and memory. When the body moves, the brain moves too. From gentle yoga, walking, to swimming, every step is the most natural brain rejuvenation medicine. A morning cup of coffee can boost alertness, but overdoing it with caffeine can reduce sleep quality and increase cortisol, the stress hormone. Moderation is key. 1 to 2 cups a day can boost focus and cognitive performance. Anything more than that can leave your brain tired and chemically unbalanced. If you love coffee, use it as a mental ritual, not a survival fuel. The brain is more than 75% water. Dehydration of even 2% can cause a sharp decline in short-term memory. Older people often have less thirst, so they are prone to chronic dry brain. Keep the habit of drinking warm water, herbal tea, and natural coconut water every day. The feeling of refreshment and lightheadedness when hydrated is when the brain is working most effectively. Negative emotions like anxiety and loneliness increase stress hormones, causing the hippocampus, the memory center, to shrink. In contrast, joy, gratitude, and social connection activate the feel-good hormone serotonin, which helps the brain become more flexible and creative. So sometimes a phone call to an old friend, or a long hug, is the brain tonic you can't buy at the pharmacy. Like muscles, the brain needs exercise. Challenge yourself by learning a new language, playing a musical instrument, or doing a crossword puzzle every day. These activities stimulate neuroplasticity, creating new connections between cells. Science proves people who maintain the habit of learning have brains that are 10 years younger than their actual biological age. Combine golden foods for the brain: green leafy vegetables, folate, vitamin K, fatty fish, omega-3, berries, antioxidants, walnuts, almonds, vitamin E, eggs, choline. This is the brain longevity plate, the plate that prolongs the life of the brain. New research shows that ginkgo biloba, lion's mane mushroom, and phosphatidylserine help increase blood circulation, restore short-term memory. These natural active ingredients are not instant miracles, but long-term insurance for the brain. Imagine remembering the melody of an old song, or the name of a friend you haven't seen in a while. That's your brain rewiring that it's never too late to slow, or even reverse, memory loss. If you've ever been afraid of not remembering a precious memory, know that there is hope. Science, nutrition, and love can help you keep your memories alive. If this video resonates with you, please like, share, and subscribe to Wellness Roots Journey. Your subscriptions help us continue to bring healing and rejuvenation to our minds, for you and millions of others around the world.